Alright guys, this is a quick one. I didn't plan to do this video, but I was just looking through PowerPoint tonight. I've been thinking about how to do a video and a podcast and combine into a YouTube channel. So I've just been looking at different tools that I can use, and I was just checking out OBS, see how I can combine that with PowerPoint in order to like make a video recording at the same time. So I just stumbled upon this in PowerPoint, and I'm telling you, it's literally blew my mind, as in what I just saw right now. Don't mind what is on the screen. International Space Station is just like an example presentation in PowerPoint. But what I want to show you right now is gonna surprise you. I'm sure that not many people know about this. Of course, people talk about like Google Translate and everything, but what Microsoft is doing under the hood is crazy. I'm telling you, it's really crazy. I'm sure like 90% of people who are using Microsoft 365 doesn't know about this. Of course, Microsoft kind of hinted it and they kind of advertised it, but I'm not sure they didn't really like hammer on it, so it didn't feel like it's like a very big feature. But I'm gonna show you right now. So imagine that I'm gonna make a presentation, and I want to convert this presentation into a video where I want the caption, I want my words to show as a caption, or I'm just presenting to an audience, and at the same time I want them to be reading what I'm saying as a caption. And I mean, that is just possible. That is right now possible from Microsoft PowerPoint. So you can see here, it's literally translating what I'm saying directly. I mean, it's almost real time. It's kind of mind blowing, really. I mean, it gets all the like the flexes, the pauses, and the full stop and the commas and everything on what I'm saying. And I mean, at first, I when I saw it, of course, I know about how this kind of thing works, but I've never really seen it in like a real time application like this, like in a real consumer um, product or in a software like this. Yeah, so it's kind of just blows my mind how this is working in almost real time. Like I'm speaking, and the captions are coming out almost immediately, and they are more than 90% correct, as in all of the time. You can see for yourself, right? And this is not the end of it. I'm gonna show you the next step. The next step is that suppose I'm speaking in English and I'm presenting to a Japanese audience. What all I need to do is just come back into the settings and change the um, subtitle language into Japanese. This is crazy. When I showed this to my wife, she was like, "Oh," and even me, I'm like freaking out right now. Like, how is this even happening? Look at this. Look at this. Come on, people. Look at this. I'm speaking in English and it's translating directly into Japanese exactly what I'm saying, as in, well, I cannot comment on the correctness of this Japanese, but I know a little Japanese. I know that it's more than 60 to 7%, 70% correct. And the Japanese people can actually attest to this. You can see 60 to 70%. This is really, really mind blowing. Like, seriously. So, I don't know. I don't know what else to say. This is just like really, really good. And it's not only Japanese. There are more than 20 languages that I can choose from. So I'm gonna try and choose another language that I don't know anything about, and just see how that goes. So there is there is Hebrew. I'm gonna choose Hebrew. Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna should choose Hebrew right now. So I'm speaking in English, and it's just translating directly into Hebrew. That is taking some time to come out. You can see. It even gets the direction right, like Hebrew writes from the right to the left, and it's just I'm gonna try Arabic also. I'm gonna try Arabic. Let's see how that goes. I hope it is there. It should be there. Of course, it's a very popular language, so it should be there. So let's look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Come on, look at that. So suppose I'm making this presentation right now. I'm talking about the International Space Station, and maybe I'm doing some work in International Space Station, and I'm trying to give this talk to some people who maybe in Dubai or UAE. I actually don't even need to understand Arabic to give a talk to the people in UAE or United States, in UAE or in Dubai or whatever. Can you imagine the possibility that goes along with this? Imagine that you you can just speak your language and you can communicate effectively to, according to Microsoft here, more than 20 nationalities at the same time. You know, this is this is like this is cutting edge technology right here. I'm telling you. If you have a PowerPoint 365, you should go and check this out. So what you just do is, so I have the PowerPoint here. I'm gonna cancel this. Okay, let's change this back to Japanese because yeah, I love Japanese. All right, I'm gonna close this. So I have this presentation. I didn't make this. This is a default presentation from Microsoft. It's just to kind of show what PowerPoint can do. So, I mean, just like normal presentation, you don't have to do anything, but just make sure that you have like PowerPoint 365. I mean, that's like the monthly subscription PowerPoint or software that um, I'm not sure if it works with the yearly one, but this is like the monthly subscribed PowerPoint. Uh, so you just go to, I mean, present F5 or whatever, just present, right? And it goes to a presenter mode. And you can see this, yeah, there like, I'm still going to kind of explore this, but this just came at me like when I checked it just now. And just click this and your subtitle starts immediately. I mean, it starts listening, takes some time, but it starts listening immediately and start changing what you're saying directly into the language that you choose. This is absolutely awesome. That's just what I'm gonna say. Go check it out. Go try it. And if you don't have uh, oh yeah, subtitles aren't available right now because internet connection is slow. Okay, so I imagine that they are using the internet connection to do this, and maybe something is wrong with my internet right now. But yeah, it came back. So I mean, this is good, right? This is good. This is good, man. Okay, okay, enough of this. I have to go. Thank you for watching. If you did.